So on Sunday, while live with SA Infotainment, he kind of cornered me to have a response with regards to Fadiel Adams, and I immediately shut it down and I said, I do not talk about Fadiel Adams. I'm not comfortable talking about Fadiel Adams, and the real reason is because at the end of the day, it will boil down to colored, and then there'll be a lot of, people taking sides and comments, and then they're going to make it all about somehow it's going to turn to coloreds and him being a colored. So I've always had the foresight to stay very far, good day, far away from anything to do with Fadiel Adams, because I just cannot. I don't have the bandwidth. I don't have the bandwidth to take up the smoke. But, well, guess who's ready to talk about it? I found a safe way around the conversation because it's coloreds against coloreds now. You know what? It's coloreds against coloreds. And did I not say that I would want to be an ally? Did I not say this? I feel as if for the rights of coloreds, so I want to be clear, I am not anti-colored. I spoke about all this. But anyway, now we have what I initially thought was Honorable James versus Patricia Mashali. Because on one hand, Patricia Mashali says, I stand with Fadiel Adams. And Darlene James says, I stand with absolutely nobody. I don't stand with no wrongdoers. I don't care if we're both coloreds. It's a strong divide. And so she addresses it in her comment section, or should I say on her Facebook. Just in case you might not have the slightest hint of what is going on. Over the weekend, Fadiel Adams did multiple media tours speaking about how the PKTT came to where he used to live and they were looking for him and they wanted to arrest him, and that he knows that there's a warrant of arrest out for him. And he went on multiple media tours, multiple. Kwanazi says, I don't know what you're talking about. And then today, what happens? They put out, they being SAPS, under the SAP spokesperson, Athlinda Mate, she says, hey guys, we're looking for Fadiel Adams. Please tell him he was supposed to be in court yesterday, so he needs to hand himself. Okay, we can't find this man. He's hiding from us, but he's everywhere, but we can't find him. So just tell him he needs to walk into the nearest police station and hand himself up because he needs to be arrested. There's a J50 warrant of arrest for his arrest. Patricia Mashale, who has been MIA, came back to Facebook. First of all, I was like, at least now we know, okay? She's really back. I can tell you this is Patricia Mashale. This is not AI typing on her platform. This is her. Do you want to know how I know? Anytime you see her saying, I don't care. That's her. That's the real deal. That's the real Patricia Mashale. Okay, continue. So I'm not even going to read. She wrote a very long post with regards to the injustice that Fadiel Adams is experiencing. He's being arrested for defeating the ends of justice, but she's the one who sent him. Therefore, why aren't they arresting her? Why are they not arresting her? And that's an interesting point. So in my opinion, from the legal advice I once received a very long time ago, it was always, how can I put it? I guess she would be arrested for being an accomplice, but her arrest wouldn't weigh the same weight as that of Fadiel Adams because he's the one who carried out the action. Does that make sense? Anyway, that's the way I would understand it. But why they didn't arrest her as well, I don't know. Okay, so there's been a lot of commentary. I don't need to tell you about this, about Fadiel Adams. And I think in my opinion, he created the smoke. He created the smoke because he's the one who went everywhere doing media tours. So he finally walked himself into the police station and he is officially now arrested. Okay, he's arrested. There's pictures everywhere of him inside Pagati within the van. Okay, he is in possession, or should I say the PKTT is in possession of Fadiel Adams. But what that has left is a lot of noise on the streets. Okay, a lot of noise, a lot of divide. So we have Honorable James from the Action SA Party. I hope I'm not mispotting her, but Action SA Party. And she says, I stand with no one. And that's 38 minutes ago, by the way. I stand with no one who's on the wrong side of the law. She's very firm about that. And when I read that, I thought, oh, she's responding to Patricia Mashale, because Patricia Mashale is the one who posted and said she stands with Fidel Adams. Well, Darlene continues and says, tribalism has no place when it comes to rooting out wrongdoing and holding people to account. Stop condoning nonsense for the sake of the same race. Many of you don't even know what the charges are. Oh, and then I was like, oh, okay, so it's not to Patricia Mashale. It's not to Patricia Mashale. It's literally possibly maybe everything that's going on in her comment section. But yeah, I just wanted to bring this to your attention of what's going on as a aftermath of Fidel Adams being arrested. It's not being taken easily. So, was he arrested for being a colored? No. He was arrested for defeating the ends of justice. Let me go to Patricia Mashale's post. Maybe she did say something. Wait. Maybe there's something in there. Because I just realized to myself, why did she respond from a colored perspective? Hold the line. I wasn't going to read Patricia's post because it's long, but I guess I should. I guess I should stop being lazy. Okay, so she has a follow-up post. I'm going to read that one. Ooh, that's an interesting one. I'm going to read it. Okay. Patricia came and she says, after such a long time not being on social media, I woke up this morning to the most hilarious news. The PKTT has issued a warrant of arrest for Fidel Adams for interfering in the Sindiso Makaka murder case. Hilarious, she says. I almost thought that it was an April Fool's joke, but clearly it's not because it's all over the news, channels, everywhere. I want to see, does she speak about colors here? No. Oh, she says, the cult can come for me, I don't care. But Sindiso Makaka will get his justice whether they like it or not. And by cult, I think she means the supporters of Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi from the tiny little province of the KZN. So, that's the first thing she posted after her long break from social media. And then she comes back again and says, it's not about being racist. So she posted this 5 hours ago. Sorry for that. She posted this 5 hours ago. So she posted this before Honorable James posted. So let me read hers first. Goodness me. I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. It's not about being racist or tribalist. It's not about the case or the truth. This is about humiliating a colored MP because several other MPs have been accused of much more serious charges and they were never arrested in this manner. The so-called warrant of arrest was never presented to Fidel and his lawyer. In fact, in an email sent to Major General Gopal, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi stated that he was not aware of a warrant of arrest. He even went further and confirmed in the same email that even the state prosecutor informed him that she was not aware of a warrant of arrest. Okay, what's going on here? Interesting. Coloreds have been branded gangsters, druggies, criminals, and more other names by other tribes. In their eyes and minds, coloreds belong in jail. They don't deserve to raise it. I'm not sure. And challenge. Oh, they don't deserve to raise the narrative and challenge the narrative. I'm a colored and I'm not ashamed to challenge the narrative. Call me whatever names you want. I don't care. You did not make me and you will never break me. They can come and arrest all of us, but it will not change the truth and the evidence. Being arrested does not mean you are guilty. It means that they are getting desperate. They cannot arrest the truth. We will stand by the truth even if we stand alone. I stand with Fidel Adams. Okay. I think Darlene is responding to Patricia Mashale. Okay, I retract my initial statement. I think she is. Ooh, kuningi, right? let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Why do I feel I need to close comments on this video? But anyway, you know what? I did say I wanted to be an ally. I'm an ally. So you know what? We're going to leave the comment section open. Thanks so much for watching. I'm sorry this video was a little bit choppy just because I needed to check Facebook to make sure what happened first and who said what and then where did what say and then who's responding to who and what is happening. But all in all, Fadiel Adams is now arrested. Will the media provide him media access for his tour to continue from inside the prison? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching. You already know, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.